Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win against a hook in arm wrestling. A hook is a powerful move where your opponent tries to bend your wrist inward and pull you close. To counter this, you need to understand their strategy. Your main objective is to keep your wrist straight and strong, preventing them from gaining that crucial inside leverage. We'll cover key techniques to help you dominate the match. Now let's talk about your hand and wrist. A high hand grip is essential. Try to get your palm as high as possible on their hand, aiming for their fingers. This gives you leverage. Keep your wrist rigid, either perfectly straight or slightly cupped outwards, never letting it bend inward. Apply consistent downward pressure, pulling their hand towards your body to break their grip and control. Arm wrestling isn't just about arm strength. It's a full-body sport. Engage your core and legs, leaning into the table to utilize your entire body weight. This creates significant leverage. Drive your elbow towards your hip, almost as if you're trying to touch your elbow to your belt buckle. This motion pulls their arm across the pad, making it incredibly difficult for them to maintain their hook position. What if your opponent manages to get a hook? Don't panic. Immediately try to transition into a top roll. This means driving their hand back and opening their wrist, breaking their hook leverage. Once their wrist is compromised, continue to pull their arm down and across the pad. Use your body weight and back pressure to secure the pin, finishing the match decisively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.